Okay, this is take number 2. I'm having some technical difficulties. Hopefully it works the whole time. But this should be the last one, and then we're going to have a test, and it's going to be great. You're going to do all wonderful, and you can rewatch all these videos to study. Once you're done with this last one, graphing points, you you'll write a little check mark, and we'll be good. So flip to the back page of your booklet, and here we go, graphing points. Easy thing, all points will be written as x, y. Okay, the x's come first and the y's come second. Excuse me. And we have our scale. Now I put the lines on there, the axes for you, and then you have the graph paper, and I'll make sure to have graph paper for you every time. So this is the x scale, the left and right scale, and this is the y scale. So the horizontal is x, the vertical is y, and follow that order and you will be fine. Now I'm going to actually set up my scale and my labeling. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on my number line. And back here, oh, this is 0 by the way. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So I'm going to do the same on my y's. Blow it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And down here, we've got -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So I have all my scales set up, and all I can do now is make my points. So this first point we'll make orange, 3, 5. Remember, x comes first, y comes second. So on my x scale, I'm going to go to 3. So from 0, I go to 1, 2, 3 on my x scale. And then I go up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see it on there? And here's my first point. I'll make it right there. This is 3, 5. You don't need to write that. I just wanted to write it to be clear. My second point, I'll make green. 5, 3. So the numbers are switched. But it's still xy though. So this will make sure you do it correctly. So we go to 5 on the x scale, and then we go up to 3. So here's my second point. 5, 3. Right there in green. Now we'll do -2, 6 in purple. So now on my x scale, I find -2 on my x, and I go up to 6, and there's my third point. I'm going to use blue for my 2, -6. I remember I swapped the signs to be tricky, but I still go to 2 on my x. There we go. And then I go down to -6 this time. So all the way down here. Sorry, it's being silly. There's my 2, -6. One more. What other colors do I have? Can I use yellow? No, I'll just use brown. I know it's not a pretty color, but it'll work. -4, -4. So on my x scale, I go to -4, and then I go down to -4 on my y scale. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we go. There's my final point, -4, -4. Okay? So just follow the x, y. X goes first. That's it. Get ready for today's work and then start preparing for the unit test.